So my boys are gonna use it for their gaming. They're gonna be putting their controllers in here. And look at this. This is perfect because it doesn't take too much room in my living room. I have this space. Like other stuff is in here. So let's go ahead and put their stuff. So it fits their system there, their gaming system. Okay, it comes with all my tools. It even comes with the little tool I'm gonna need. Here we go. We have the bottom of the drawers. The drawers. We have, there's my top piece. All right, let's build it and see how big this is. All right, I built the first one, which is a 5, 4, and a 3. We just finished, we're just putting them together with the 3, the 4, and the 5 ones. So we did shelf 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, we just put and connected the drawer part, and these are the little stoppers at the bottom so it doesn't damage your floor. Okay, your drawers go like this with this in the middle. Here's one. They come folded like this. You don't fold them easy peasy like this. All right, this is the final product. It comes with these little right here. These are so it can help you with your DVDs so they don't, each one has like, it has one here. Here we have it. And we have the drawers. It has its little handles. So here's the finished product. Let me go ahead and put my stuff up. Okay, so my boys are using it for their gaming here in my living room with my TV. Here they go. They're going to put like their gaming system. The controllers fit here. They could put to separate like stuff, traveling stuff in the back, controllers in the front. And look at this setup is all good. It doesn't take a lot of room, so it's perfect for small spaces. Also, I could put pictures here fit. So this little thing here fits perfect for the, like these. It's, if you don't have this, your games will be falling. This makes it look nice and neat, helps it. And then you can put your stuff there, not worry about your games hitting it and dropping your stuff. You can put your stuff up